That's a cool shirt on that girl. God damn.
So of course, if you have been following the amateur scene, you know of Dipanjali. She's been really active over the last few years. She's in fact only started competing in MMA over the last 2 years, which is sort of interesting because she's really made a name for herself. She sports a 7-4 record. She's only 17 years old and already has 11. She has a kick-heavy style. I think she might have a background of taekwondo. We'll have to ask her about that. But you will see that she has a very bladed stance. In the first fight that the two of them had, she had issues when she was being held up against the fence. She also got mounted at one point. So let us see. In my opinion, I think the reason I'm really excited is because that last fight was so close. What we get to see here is who makes the right kind of, adaptations, who adjusts
6-7
accordingly.
months is a good time
It's
to
a good time,
change
exactly.
your game plan
Yeah.
and learn some cage wrestling, right?
To take those lessons into the next fight. So yeah, let's see how how Dipanjali and Sonia.
And I feel like if you have your grappling defense on point, your kicking game goes up as well because you're not worried about getting taken down with the kicks.
Yeah. Because you're not worried about.
Fighting on the blue corner, representing House of Gladiators, weighing in 50 kilograms, a record of 5 wins, 2 losses. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up, make some noise for Sonia! Ladies, you know the rules. Obey my instructions at all times. If you want to touch gloves, do them now. Come out fighting. God bless.
Fighters touch gloves. There isn't like animosity between the two of them, but obviously once the game
Once you get
closes,
punched, it's all
it
about
all comes
fighting,
back.
bro. It was a great body lock.
This is way quicker than the last time. Last time it took some time for Sonia to be able to get that body lock. Here she's already.
Oh, that was a rookie mistake, bro.
Let's see how Dipanjali capitalizes on that.
Oh, she got a hooks in.
Yeah. This was actually a position which Dipanjali got in the first fight, but she wasn't able to capitalize. So again, right. She doesn't even seem interested, honestly, in that. She wants to get a finish on the feet most of the time. So whether that is the wise way to go about it, I don't know. Wow. Good check hook, followed by a kick to the head.
I mean, you don't get paid by the hour in this sport. If you get a finish, you take that finish, bro.
Coming from a fighter, I mean, yeah, totally. Why would you want to spend more time inside the cage? Yeah, this is the adjustment that Sonia made last time. She would switch to southpaw in between.
Oh, that was a clean hook that landed.
Again lands in mount. And as I am assuming you saw that flurry of punches,
Yeah.
shows her karate background.
Plus, I think these lighter weight girls, they just have that energy to keep going with their flurries,
Right.
you know.
She just abandons those positions and gets her back on the feet.
I feel like she wanted to come and dominate in the grappling exchange. She was not expecting to be on her back.
Right.
Maybe that stunned her for a bit. Let's see how she adjusts through the round.
Sonia's landing that hook again, and Dipanjali's landing that hook. She's having success with it. She could line it up. Another punch behind it. We might see.
Dipanjali is closing the distance pretty good, man.
For sure.
Out of the two, she looks like the stronger, heavier fighter as well. So I think that adds to it as well.
Which is odd. Like, she's the younger fighter. She's 17 years old, whereas Sonia's 24. Yeah. Gets her down. She could land some punches from here.
And
Knee on belly.
down.
Goes to mount again. Sonia
She can
gives up
break
her
her
back.
down from here, but she's just letting it go as soon as she
Yeah.
turns.
Goes on back to the center of the cage.
I think she's trying to conserve her energy, not getting into grappling exchanges. She's sticking to her bread and butter.
Good right hand.
exchange. Now body locked by Dipanjali.
Who do you give that first round to?
I think Dipanjali took it. She was defending herself well, landing some clean shots, and also initiated grappling towards the end of the round.
Agreed.
So I feel like she took the round pretty decisively.
I think like some of the shots that landed were the more shots landed for her, and then again as you saw,
Sonia's coaches need to tell her to wake up.
I'm pretty sure she'll be hearing that from her corner right now. So we should expect more urgency from her when she comes out in the next round, because you just have 6 minutes again. I said this is an amateur card. You have a total of 9 minutes to put on a
And
show.
plus, it's very hard to knock someone out with those big gloves.
Right.
Even submission aspect, like the bigger gloves, makes it harder to like submit people, right? So point scoring is pretty important aspect of amateurs, so you have to focus on that. As a corner, you have to like tell your fighter, you cannot lose this round.
Keep the volume up. Yeah.
Because you have to also understand these guys cannot make big adjustment because they're just starting their career out.
Right.
You have to give them the right advice at the right time.
So, like, we will talk about the importance of corner. Great point brought up by you, by the way. Glove touch, and we start with round 2.
सैलरी लेट हो गई आसान ही है
Round 2. I would love to see some more front kicks.
Oh, that was
From Dipanjali.
sick, bro.
Wow. Just bullies her to the ground. Huh?
I don't think Sonia was expecting to be on her back in this fight.
Yeah, I
She
think
thought-
Prakhar, we have an answer to what we were asking. We were asking a question: who has made more improvements? It seems
Yeah,
like
it's Dipanjali as
she
well.
has, isn't it?
Because I feel like being the younger fighter, she's just more open to changes.
Goes to the back again. Dipanjali represents Roy MMA. I believe it's in Madhya Pradesh. That's it.
Oh, that was a sick.
Successful slam for Sonia, and I mean she needed that. She's been really working her way to this. Let's see what does she do once she finally got her opponent here.
Well, I've seen matches where the bottom person landing more damages in blows have taken the round
Yeah,
recently, so she has to be very active
Yes.
from there.
And we see some
like
damage,
that,
but-
yeah.
Let's see if Dipanjali can get up from here. If I was Sonia, I wouldn't let her get up. You need to just capitalize on this position. You're down one round for sure. This round also up until now she's losing. So,
Just need to keep scoring at least for this round.
right. Oh, this could be a bad position for
I think she's
Dipanjali.
advancing to a worse position from
Yeah.
there.
But Dipanjali, shots to the body. Luckily, amateurs are not allowed to throw elbows. Otherwise, I would be throwing elbows, harsh elbows from here, you know.
I mean, even if as a pro, if you have someone in your guard, you can throw some nasty elbows from there as well.
Yeah.
So it's like a advantage disadvantage to both ends. Man, Sonia is turning it on.
Ref has to watch out for the cage being grabbed, I guess.
Oh,
Beautiful reversal. How many times has Dipanjali already done this?
I think she's just the physically more imposing fighter in this fight.
Shots to the face for Dipanjali. Barely few seconds left in this round.
Good knee to the body.
Yeah. And we
This would be
conclude.
a hard round to judge, bro.
True. This was 100% closer than the last one, but I do think that Dipanjali still took it. So let's see.
I think Dipanjali came with a good game plan, and I think her strength is also adding up to the fact that Sonia is not being able to really control her in her grappling exchanges. The time she can control her, put her in like worse positions, she's landing some good clean scoring shots, but then apart from that, I think it's more towards Dipanjali right now.
Agreed. And I think, as you mentioned, in amateurs, it is so important for you to be able to impose your game plan immediately. Because you mentioned earlier, like, making those adjustments on the fly is tougher for amateurs. They're still learning. So, whoever is usually able to impose their game plan right in the beginning first, we see mostly them winning the fight. So, let's see if Sonia can pull off something. She has one round.
Because these are faster rounds, you cannot do a very slow progress towards the submission,
Right.
unlike in pros, you know, where you can just control them for 3 minutes and then when they're tired, like work them out in the
Yeah, with
last
some
2
damage.
minutes.
Yeah. Let's go. Final round.
Good leg kick.
She's actually not thrown the amount of kicks that she usually does, and she just did right now. Good jab. I think Dipanjali can start like letting her hands loose because this opponent seems quite gassed. Good right hand. Forces Sonia to shoot in.
I think Sonia came with one game plan to just grapple her. And when that's not happening, she's continuously
Good
losing
knee
the
by
round.
Sonia. Over under position against the fence. Dipanjali is quick to get those hooks back. Reverses
Good
the position.
reversal.
Yeah. Just she has shown improvements. Very impressive.
6-7 months are a good time to bring actual changes to your game. So this girl is really showing some good changes. I think they're both gassing out now.
I mean,
See, also from these positions, they're not scoring. They're not using their knees, although they might not hurt. Yeah, just like that. You got to keep scoring. You got to keep giving the ref a reason to keep you there. Right?
wow.
Good.
Sonia tried really hard to bridge, but Dipanjali's technique and I believe strength is just too much for her to
She
handle at this
just
point.
looks way bigger than
Yeah.
her.
बिना इस ऐप को डाउनलोड करे ना तो कोई
Let's see how she progresses
I
from
think she
here.
had a good cut. She rehydrated well. Just came in strong.
One thing about Dipanjali, she's always in the gym, always locked in, which is really impressive to see from someone so young. You know, for our scene, it's not common to see. And more so that the fact that it's a woman, you know, like it is impressive. We have to give it up. Takes her opponent's back. I'm assuming she'll try to come up here, yeah, always. Position is key. Just walks off.
I don't think she wants to exchange
Yeah,
in
she-
long, drawn-out grappling
She
battles.
wants
You know?
to tire her out, I think, with the grappling and then get her back on the feet and get a finish there.
And I mean, she's winning on the feet, so why
She
would she
is,
go there as well? That's not very smart of her if she does that.
Try to go for that toss again. Not successful.
I mean, you have to add some variety to it. If you keep throwing the
Yeah,
same
same
thing,
thing,
it's bound to
yeah,
get
yeah.
defended eventually, right?
Man, Sonia looks so gassed. Prakhar,
Yeah.
is she hurt?
I think she got out muscle, bro. I think all the blood is going to her muscles now, and she's gonna have a crazy adrenaline dump in a while.
Dipanjali's coach giving instructions to the side. Dipanjali sets in this hook. Yeah, I think these punches to the face should end the round. Yeah. And with that, we come to the end
I think
of the
Dipanjali
first
took
women's
it.
fight. Yeah, the first women's fight, and yeah, I think I'd agree with you. This was a Dipanjali showcase. Considering the fact that this was supposed to be a rematch, I feel like a
I
statement
think
has
she
been
came with a good game plan. She knew her strengths. She also worked on her weaknesses, and she just showed an overall better MMA game than her opponent. And she just took it by decision.
made. She basically answered the question that we had. Who has made more improvements? And it's clearly Dipanjali, the younger fighter.
She's a very young kid. She has all the time in the world to make actual meaningful progressions on his career and actually reach the highest level. So this is like he's given a good platform to do just that.
This is why if you are an amateur fighter and are looking to try your talent out with other fighters of the same caliber, go check out Elite
And I
Fitness.
feel like as an amateur, you cannot be very demanding, right? Beggars can't be choosers. As an amateur, you're trying to get your name out there. You might be the best in the world, but no one has seen you do that. So these platforms are very important for these amateurs to actually showcase their skills, right?
Yeah. Coming from a professional fighter who had to struggle as an amateur just because of how they went to organize, I'm sure that means a lot to the organization.
I mean, it's pretty visible in the amount of fights these amateurs have now, right?
Right.
For us to get a fight, it was like a huge hassle. They're just getting it very easily now. So good thing for the future.
Let's go to the results. Drop your predictions for this decision in the stream.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing your winner. And your winner, the scores are here. Judge 1, 27-30. Judge 2, 27-30. Judge 3, 28-29. Ladies and gentlemen, and your winner by judges' unanimous decision
Hey.
from the red corner, Deepanjali. Ladies and gentlemen, this event is presented by Wellworth, maximizing human potential.
There's nothing interesting in the chat.
Deepanjali,
It's
not
all
gonna let you
Nepal
go
versus
just like
India.
that off the stage. Where you walk down something for the audience, a much awaited one, your presentation.
So, what's up, Kolkata? So, first of all, I'm so sorry to my coach because, I wanted to give them a KO in the fight. But, okay, so let it be. From the last time, also, she wrote in a comment on this post that she will be a new problem for me at the weight division.
Also, I
So,
need
bro,
the
I've
volume to be
already sorted you
increased.
in
People are
last time.
complaining that the stream
Maybe we can
commentary
have
volume
a chance
is very
today
low.
to sort you in proper way, but
please.
it's okay. Also, a troublemaker never gets problem. They just create problem. So yeah, that's all. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to coach Piyush sir. Baki. Also, a big shout out to my coach, Varun Roy sir. Thank you so much. Because whatever the fuck I am right now, all because of him. So thank you so much, Varun Roy sir. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye.
लाइव स्ट्रीम अगर आप देखेंगे कमेंट्री
Once again, ladies and gentlemen,
Give it up for Deepanjali.